Okay. Yesterday, boys and girls, we read Juanita and the Beanstalk. I know you didn't get to, but it's a pretty easy story to get through with us today. And we also have been working on problem and solution. We've written how many stories? At least 2 stories with problem and solution. So we know how to identify problem and solution. What we're going to do is we're going to go through and we're going to use our trackers to find text evidence, and we're going to break down the characters in the story, the setting of the story, and then we're going to also find the problem and solution. When we do all of this and we're able to identify all of this in a story, it helps us to comprehend the story and better understand it. Okay?
Okay.
So first of all, I'm going to do a couple and then we'll do a couple together. And after we complete this chart with Juanita and the Beanstalk, then you guys will work and do your own on Clever Jack Takes the Cake. Okay? CJ.
I think I did this a lot. I did this once with Martina the Beautiful Cockroach, and I actually drew the characters really good.
Well, if you can find all of the problems and solutions correctly, then you can draw. But we have to find all the evidence, text evidence first. Okay? So, also, when we do our papers, name up in the corner, right?
Nice.
And we label everything and we write everything in complete sentences. I started doing that so that you guys wouldn't get bored of me having to write everything. Because I know that it does take a little while. Now, when I went through and I was reading the story yesterday, the very first thing I saw was Juanita. Do you think Juanita's a character in the story? Yeah? All right. So over here, the characters in the story are, Juanita's the first one. And then if you read a little bit more, it says, Juanita lived in a small, humble cottage with her mama. Is that a character too?
Yes. Yeah.